Let's learn together.
Okay, we proceed to the second slot. Okay, which is center point straight slot. Okay, this slot also have the parameter chessboard available, so you can specify the XY coordinate, the width of the slot, and the length of the slot. Okay, we go through to the sketch. Okay, for the sketch, the first click is the center point of the slot. Okay, for the second click is the end point of the slot. The length of the center point to the two end point is the same. The third click is the width of the slot. Okay, this is the first click, second click, and the third click. Try to another sketch center point straight slot. This is the first click, which is center point of the second click is the end point. Also, you can set the length of the slot. The last click is the width, which is you can set the width before you click the third click.